Many renters think that a landlord policy is going to cover their belongings. It is not. Hey everybody, welcome to the My Insurance People channel. This is your agent here, CFO. Today we're going to get into some renter's insurance and what it covers and what it's all about. As a renter, we know that you do not own your home or your apartment or your townhome or anything in between. We need to protect your belongings and your personal property. This is the policy that does that for you. This policy also covers liability, hazards and concerns, also covers liability in the sense of having guests over and what might happen when you have guests over. Renter's insurance should be required from all landlords, and if you don't have renter's insurance and you are renting, I suggest that you call us and let us quote it. Renter's insurance is just a few dollars a month and will give you peace of mind while renting the space. Many renters think that a landlord policy is going to cover their belongings. It is not. Let's dive into that here in this video. Renter's insurance covers you and your belongings inside of your space. Like previously spoken, landlord policies do not cover the renter's belongings. The renter's belongings and everything it owns, everything that's inside of the rented space would be covered on a renter's policy. You could suffer a loss of your belongings either from fire, theft, and some water damages. So what does the personal property cover? It covers your belongings. Your belongings can include clothing, furniture, technology, electronics, valuables, and more. Many renters' claims are because of theft. People break in while you're not at home. They steal stuff. You need to itemize and have an itemized list of what you own. So if you suffer a theft, you will know exactly what you have lost. Liability coverage. This is important. If you are held liable for damage to the property or the premises, or if you have guests over and they get injured, you will be covered on the liability form of the policy. Renter's insurance can also include legal defense. This is coverage that will pay your legal fees for the space that you rent, whether it be an apartment, a home, townhome, etc. In case of an incident in your apartment, sometimes these renter's policies will cover legal defense fees. You may just be a renter, but you might own a lot of cool stuff. Don't you want that covered if you were to suffer a loss from theft? Accidents and theft happen. Even though you don't own the space, it is your space, and whatever you own is important to you and it should be covered. Accidents and theft happen is more common than you might realize. When covering your belongings or personal property, there are two modes of claims expense. Again, it's actual cash value and replacement cost on your personal property. We always recommend the replacement cost. Based on your lifestyle, your personal property coverage limit might be $10,000 or $80,000. It really depends on what you own and what is in the space. Replacement cost is exactly how it sounds like. It replaces the item of its value at the time of loss. Actual cash value will cover your items, but it includes depreciation of those items. How much does a renter's policy cost? Well, surprisingly, it's very cheap. Most of our policies here at My Insurance People, from $150, which is a minimum premium these days, to about $300. But again, that depends on the personal property limit and additional coverages that you request. You can also see some discounts on your renter's policy. If the renter's insurance company offers auto insurance and you have your auto insurance policy with that renter's insurance company, you will see a discount on both policies. If you have a security system installed, you could also see a discount on that policy. Just imagine, you have a camera shot, you have recordings of somebody breaking in, and then it leads to an investigation, which leads to them finding the perpetrator. There's also a discount for security systems installed in your space. A security system can obviously help in an investigation, especially due to theft. So I suggest you call the agency. We would love to quote your renter's insurance and also enlighten you to the coverages that you might be interested in. Yes, you can go online and shop your own renter's insurance, but here at My Insurance People, we are an independent agency, as you know. We have many options and we build a relationship with you, and any questions that you might have, we have the answers to, and that's why we feel like we're an asset in our community. So are you located here in the Southwestern Virginia area? We would love for you to call. Feel free to call, text, email. Our number here is 540-401-6789. Email me directly, cf@myinsurancepeople.com. Our website, www.myinsurancepeople.com. And also, feel free to check out our other social media. Like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll get back to you with some answers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.